In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily renumber the slots if you removed image slots from your layout. And we're going to be creating the same layout that we did in the prior video. And just a recap of the prior video, we created this layout that's got 9 columns. However, the row with the maximum number of images had 7, so we had to set this up 7, 6, 6, 7, 5 and put 2 extra columns and then move the images into place. So that's one way of doing this. But instead, in this video, we're going to start with the full grid of 9 images by 5 rows. So in this case, we would build this with no extra columns and then with 9 rows of 5 images per row. So this gives us 45 images, and we're going to build this design with 31 images by removing images and renumbering those. So we just go into the image slots we want, and you got to make sure you delete the entire group. So the EasyComp -001, hit the delete key. I'll go to 9. And then 13 through 15 needs to get deleted. And let's see, 22 through 24. Let's see what we had here. We've had, okay, 1 on each side for row 4. And then the bottom row was 2 on each side. Okay, now we've got the layout exactly the same. However, the image slots are wrong. When you build a composite, it has to have the image slot starting with 1 with no skipped slots, or it's not going to build correctly. So it needs to be 1 through 31. So in order to do that, if you go back to the home menu, there is a button up here called Renumber Image Slots. If you click on this, it will renumber those. And this is going to give us a description of what it does. Basically what that's telling us is it's going to renumber based on the layer names 1 through, in this case, 31. However, it is not going to rename based on physical location. So say you had some slots physically that you moved into the middle here. And since these are 0, 2, 0, 3, those are the first numbers, these will become 1 and 2. It's not going to name the first one from the physical location number 1. It's going by layer names. So just keep that in mind. All right, so I'm just going to hit renumber image slots again, and this will take a couple of minutes. Okay, it's renumbered the image slots 1 through 31. It's giving us a very important message, and this is very important. If you resave this as a layout file, you have to make sure you change the end of this so it's EasyComp hyphen with the number of images. And in this case, it's 31, so it has to be 031. Because if it's under 999, it's always 3 digits. If it goes over, it's 4, so 031. Because if you don't do that when you save it, when you build a composite, Easy Composites isn't going to know how many slots are in that layout because it's choosing the layout file it uses based on the name of the file. So it has to know how many images are in that layout file, and it does that by the end of the name there.